Today we're going to talk about prosciutto bacon avocado toast. There's 1,000 ways to do avocado toast. One of my favorites is to sprinkle a little bit of prosciutto bacon on top, and that really just pushes it to an entirely different level. If you don't know how to make prosciutto bacon, or if you're saying what the hell is prosciutto bacon, then look in the description box below and there's a link to how to make it. Okay, this is really quick and easy. So if your prosciutto bacon is already made, that is probably one of the most time consuming. That takes about 10 minutes. Take out an avocado and dice it up. You need a slice of toast, a little bit of lemon juice, olive oil, salt, pepper, and of course eggs. Cutting avocados, you just slice them around, twist, they come wide open. Take your knife, little twist. And of course, the only thing with an avocado you really have to worry about is that little knot at the end. Prepping the avocado is really easy. Just add a little bit of fresh lemon juice. Unless you prefer lime, you can do that. Salt, pepper. And I like to put just a little bit of olive oil in there. And then with a spoon, just mash it up. I like mine a little bit chunky. If you prefer yours a little creamier, just keep mashing. For avocado toast, I recommend just taking a slice of bread, basting it with a little bit of olive oil, and toasting it in the pan that you're going to fry the eggs. Next, fry the eggs. Then all you have to do is put it together. Liberally apply the avocado on top of the toast. Now this is fun. You just take a couple of pieces in your hand and it just turns into flakes, just like that. Eggs go on top. A little salt, a little pepper, tomato garnish. Prosciutto bacon avocado toast. Please click like, subscribe, and if you want to see more, please ring the bell.